Welcome to this coding tutorial. Today, we are tackling a classic problem that often appears in technical interviews, the container with maximum water. We will explore how to solve this optimizing area calculation efficiently. First, let's understand the goal. Imagine you have a series of vertical lines of different heights. You need to pick two lines that, along with the ground, act as the sides of a container. The objective is simple. Choose the two lines that allow this container to hold the maximum amount of water. The most intuitive solution is the brute force method. Here, we simply compare every single pair of lines possible. We calculate the area for the first and second line, then the first and third, and so on. We keep track of the largest area we find. However, this approach is extremely inefficient. If you have 10,000 lines, you would have to perform about 100 million calculations. In computer science terms, this is quadratic time complexity, which is often too slow for large datasets. We can do much better using the two-pointer technique. Instead of checking every pair randomly, we start systematically. We place one pointer at the very beginning of the array and another at the very end. This gives us the widest possible container to start with. Now, we need to decide which pointer to move. The area is determined by the width multiplied by the height. Since moving inwards always reduces the width, we can only increase the area if we find a taller line. Therefore, the strategy is to always move the pointer pointing to the shorter line. Let's see this in action. Initially, our left line has height 1 and our right line has height 7. The area is width 8 times height 1, which equals 8. Since the left line is shorter, we move the left pointer forward, hoping to find a taller wall. Now the left pointer is at a line with height 8. The new area is width 7 times height 7, which is 49. This is much larger. Now the right line is the shorter one, so we would move the right pointer inward next. Mathematically, at each step, the area is the minimum of the two heights multiplied by the distance between them. The distance is simply the right index minus the left index. We constantly update our maximum area record as we go. Here is how this looks in code. We initialize our pointers and a variable for maximum water. We use a while loop that runs as long as the left pointer is less than the right. Inside, we calculate the area, update our maximum, and then move the shorter pointer inward. This solution is incredibly efficient. Because we only touch each element at most once, the time complexity is linear, or O of n the space complexity is constant, or O of 1, as we only need a few variables to track our state. To summarize, avoid the slow brute force method. Instead, use the two-pointer technique starting from the outside. Remember the golden rule, always move the shorter line to potentially find a taller boundary. This guarantees the optimal solution in a single pass.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.